All right, so this video is to show you how kids can annotate and can write on their PDFs and their assignments and things like that. So what students will do once this loads up here, they'll click on an assignment, let's say a spring word search. They'll click on the assignment. They can actually click on it right from here. Click on it from here. They will hit the print button. They're not actually going to print it, but hit the print button. And it'll create a new little window. So up here, I was pointing, but up here is Google Classroom has created a new window with some random weird name on it. It won't be the spring word search. But what they'll do is this, once you have it up here, this will have an annotate thing. Hit the little pen button right here. Hit the pen button and it'll load a little bit. So it loads some things. The thing they can't do on here that they were able to do on their iPads was to be able to type. So they have to write. So if students wanted to write, they can write. They click up here. Let's click the pen button. Make sure you click a dark enough one. They can click whatever color they want, whatever. And then you can literally have them write with their finger. So I'm writing with my finger right now on the iPad. So you can even zoom in super far, which is really nice, and have them do that and things like that, which is really cool. So this basically works as the same thing. So once they are done with it, they will hit the download button, and then you will put the word edited. Theirs, I think, says with changes or without changes. So you'll hit the one that says with changes. So you'll hit the edited one, and this will bring up all their files and things like that. So what do you want them to do? I would have them, so down here, I would have them save it as you can put their name. So let's say John, and then whatever spring word search. I would have them actually name it instead of having it that long weird thing. So you don't have to put their name, whatever you want them to save it as. And they save it. Doesn't even need to be their name. So it's saved and it goes away. And you're like, well, where'd it go? So what they have to do is they have to go back to their Google Classroom, and then they have to actually upload the document. So if they do view assignment, they will upload. It'll be over here. And it'll say create new or create something. So you'll hit the create button. And they will create and they'll add the attachment in there just like they normally would. They'll click on their attachment, boom, boom, and then they hit the turn in button. So it looks like on my iPad, it obviously doesn't look as like a student's one. So just be a little bit different. So yeah, they can just add the attachment. It won't say add attachment. It'll say create new, and then you'll click on file, and then that file it'll go into what they downloaded, and then it'll be the first one that's on there. So yeah, that's how you do that.